today I will show you that how you can solve this question in NumPy. Okay, so now we saw the question. Okay, where the question is given a positive number n greater than 2, create a NumPy array of size n cross n with all zeros and ones such that the ones make shape of plus. Okay, so now discuss about this question. Let's discuss about the example. Suppose we give input 3. Okay, then I want the output come as that 0 0 sorry 0 1 0. Okay, then in 0 sorry then 1 1 1 1 1, then 0 1 0. Okay, so now I want these types of output, where here you can see middle rows and middle columns are 1. Okay, so now solve this question. First, here we import NumPy as np. Okay, then we take our input, that is in equal to eval input enter in. Okay, enter in, then suppose enter in that is 5, then enter. Okay, now first we create a n cross n array with all zeros. Okay, so create a n cross n array with all zeros. So z equal to np dot array, np dot zeros row in, column also in, then d type, that is int. Okay, now we enter. Now we see our z. So this is our z, that is the 5 into 5 dimension. So now we make the middle row all ones. So make the middle row all ones. So for that we here write the code, that is z. Okay, z in 2, then comma colon, then equal to 1, means here the row means this. Okay, so here the n means 5, so here 5 if divided by 2 means 2. Okay, so now come to the this 2. Okay, then in here the infinity column means this. Okay, so means this all the value of this row is set to 1. Okay, and similarly here we can and write, copy this and write middle column all ones, and here columns put into this first. Okay, so now if I run this code, then here we can see the matrix is this, and if we print this, so print z, then here you can see this is our the final output, that is plus sign. Okay.